Okay. The snowblower itself runs off of the hydraulic power pack in the back, but raising, lowering, chute rotation and chute angle are controlled by a belt-driven hydraulic pump off the vehicle's engine. That way you can raise, lower the blower without actually firing up the hydraulic power pack. That's done via a standard plow frame and standard plow controls. There's a solenoid mounted on the snowblower that switches between the chute angle and the chute rotation. The chute angle and chute rotation is actually controlled using the standard angle controls that you would have on a regular snowplow, and the lift cylinder here is the same one designed for lifting a plow. So you could take those off. All the hydraulic connections are quick disconnect, so you could attach a plow relatively quickly. Now I will fire up the hydraulic power pack so you can see how that works. There's a hand throttle in the cab for throttling up and down. So I'll start the power pack up and then I'll throttle it up from inside the cab. The impeller motor gets the most flow, and this is the auger motor. This is the auger motor speed control right here. The chute rotation is actually another gear motor over here, which runs a chain. There's the chain, there's the gear motor. That runs to this select solenoid over here, which selects between running this cute little ram for doing chute angle, and then there's quick disconnects that go up here to the plow control. Like I said, all of the controls have quick disconnects, like these main hydraulic lines which chase the frame rail and go all the way back. The hydraulic power pack itself uses, I think, a 2.4 liter inline Ford industrial engine, which I think is the same as a Pinto or Mustang engine, but the industrial version. It's got a cute little air cleaner in there. I really don't know the details about some of these valves and connections, but from what I understand, we've got one return line and two supply lines. Oil filter, separate battery for the blower. This is the reservoir tank for the blower. I have an electric fan in there for the engine cooling, and the blower unit came with a gas tank internal. and I had some carburetor issues when I first got it. I blamed the carburetor issues on water in my fuel and couldn't ever get the water out. Of course, there wasn't anything wrong with it, so I hooked up this boat tank to run externally. The carburetor issues were a bad carburetor, so I replaced the carburetor, but I never could get rid of my nice 12-gallon boat tank. It sure gives you peace of mind, and you can take it to the gas station if you don't want to drive this thing. Anyway, big hydraulic pump, but it looks tiny, and pretty fun truck.
Just a sec.